No one really teaches you how to know if your natural hair routine is working. You might see a video on YouTube and think, oh, my hair doesn't look like that yet, and then suddenly feel like something must be wrong with your hair. So what do? We start buying new products with flashy claims when the truth is your routine might already be working. It just isn't showing up in the way that you expected, which may be length for most of us if we are being honest. And if you're a busy woman juggling work and kids and life in your own body that's tired, you don't have time to waste. You need signs to know that your routine is doing its job without you having to become your hair's full-time manager. So that's what today is, a check-in. I'm going to walk you through 4 simple real-world signs to know that your natural hair routine or your plan is working. Practical, useful checks you can actually feel in your own life. Let's begin with number 1. Detangling is getting easier and less violent. I want to start here because this is something that no one talks about as a progress marker, but it's something that has completely changed the game for me. Changed everything. Look, when your hair routine is working, detangling should not feel like a battle. It should be getting shorter in time, smoother in glide, and gentler to prevent breakage. If your routine is working, you're not taking forever to detangle, and you have honed the right product. Here's a simple check. How long does detangling take for you? Can you finger detangle your hair without needing a tool, a brush every wash day? That means your hair is starting to hold moisture longer. That means your cuticles are laying flatter. Your pre-pooing, your sectioning, your conditioning, everything is starting to pay off. Last month I timed myself. Detangling used to take me forever. Now 15 minutes. 15 minutes and I'm not even rushing. I'm not even using a comb or a brush. I also notice I'm not upset or groaning before I finish or when I'm done with my hair. Detangling is not a full-on war anymore. So, how long does detangling take you? When you look at your shed hairs, your fallen hairs, how much of it is shedding, how much of it is broken? Did you have to cut too many tangles out of your hair? Over time, you'll spot the trend, you'll notice the progress before it even shows up in a length check. So number 1 is your detangling getting easier. Number 2, you're getting less breakage. Okay, here's another truth. If your breakage is everywhere, all over your head, your system is probably too rough. We can afford to be gentler with our hair. We can afford to be more intentional and take the time it takes. But if your breakage is happening in 1 or 2 areas, so your nape or your crown, that's not failure either. That's feedback. For me, it was the right section, just a little harder to detangle than any other part of my hair. It is what it is. So I'm a little gentle with that section. So conduct checks to figure out what is happening so you can pay closer attention to that area that is responding and not reacting. And this only happens when your hair plan is working hard enough that you can hear your own hair talking to you. Do a quick breakage audit every so often. Where's the breakage showing up? When do you notice it the most? Is it when you're detangling, when you're styling? Is it after workouts? What feels different about that area? This lets you know if your routine is working or if you need to tweak some things as you go to turn yourself from a frustrated observer into an intentional problem solver. So, how do you know that your natural hair routine is working? Number 2 is less breakage. How do you know that you have less breakage? Observing, paying attention to our hair. Every wash day, collect your shed hairs or your fallen hairs. Visually see the amount. Look at it. See how much you've shed. Yes, this amount will vary with time, with our hormones and all the things. I understand that. But observe how much hair you lose every wash day. If it's looking normal, then you're fine. Your routine is working. Your hair may not look longer yet, but your routine is working because you're not breaking your hair and losing your hair to being rough with it. But if you're losing your hair to breakage, then now you know I can afford to be gentler. I can do less tighter styles. I can give my edges a break. I can keep my styles in for maybe 2 weeks, no more. You now know that you can tweak things as you go. Number 3 way to know is that your wash days are not ruining your entire weekend. Let me say this clearly. If you dread wash day every weekend, every single time, your plan is not working, period. It's not working, right? We are doing something we cannot commit to. Now, I'm not saying that wash days should be a party, rainbows and unicorns. No, wash days are demanding. That's just what it is. But we can enjoy the process, or at least not get frustrated every single time it is wash day. How? By putting our system to work. When your system is working, you notice a few things. You don't procrastinate wash day as much as you used to. You don't need to mentally recover after washing your hair. You don't skip wash day altogether and hope for the best. For example, after I switched to pre-pooing in sections with permanent parts in my hair, I saved almost 1 hour on wash day. And more than that, I don't feel drained when I wash my hair. I could still enjoy the rest of my day. That's the difference between a plan that runs you and a plan that runs with you. So ask these questions. Do I feel anxious before wash day? Am I regularly avoiding wash day or stretching it too far? Do I have a simple enough system with a few products and a set style that I can do in 60 minutes or 90 minutes if push comes to shove? How do you know your length retention plan is working? It reduces stress, not adds to it. It gives you back your time so that wash day is not a dread. Number 4, your hair starts to feel familiar again. This matters the most because no matter what your curl pattern is, no matter what your hair porosity is, your length and all the things, you know what your hair feels like. You know what it feels like for your hair to be yours, when it feels like yours, when your hands touch your hair without overthinking. You know what to do, you know where to start. You start in the back or in the front. You just know when you stop trying to force a style and you just know what your hair needs. Let's just go back to the beginning of our hair journeys where we knew what our hair needed, where we did not panic if something went wrong because we could just fix it. We could just throw it in a bun or a puff and call it a day. For me, that moment came a while ago when I realized I hadn't watched a natural hair tutorial in weeks. I wasn't searching for a new product. I wasn't doom scrolling for tutorials on twist outs or whatever the case may be. I was just watching other ladies do their hair and chilling and enjoying other people do their hair. And I'm here doing my own hair, seeing how my hair responded, and finally enjoying my hair again. So how do you know that your routine is working? When there isn't something to fix every weekend, when you've nailed down your product stash, when you've nailed down your styling techniques, when there isn't a question to be asked every wash day. Number 5, your plan fits your life right now. Now, let me say this clearly. You don't need a perfect routine. There is no such thing. You need a personal one. And that's why I build systems and not just steps. Because if you work at night, you have 2 toddlers, you're navigating chronic fatigue, your plan needs to respect that. And when it does, your routine gets better. Not just your hair routine, but your life routine as well. So don't let anyone make you feel like it only counts if it's hard. Simplicity is wise and beautiful. But if you're watching this and thinking, okay, I need to build a better plan, or I don't even have a plan to begin with, so I need a plan that works for me where I am today, this is exactly why I built the 7-day free email course. It is completely free and it walks you through how to build rhythm-based system for you, for your life. But more than that, it teaches you how to listen to your own hair. So you stop copying other people's routines and start customizing your own and making your own routine right for you and your time and your capacity and your family and where you are in life today.